If you want to input two SIM cards into your Redmi Note 15, you can for sure do this. And first of all, let's start from inputting the first SIM card into this first slot. So let's grab this, and as you can see, we got cutout over here. So we have to align our SIM card with this characteristical cutout like that, and press on it with your two fingers until you hear that click sound. Use your two fingers to put it properly. Now we have to rotate, and we have to put our finger on that card like that, and we have to also repeat the same steps. So we got the cutout that we have to put over here. We have to align this like that. So as you can see, this is the different position of the first SIM card, and this is the proper way. This SIM card doesn't actually goes above the frame of the SIM slot. And now to put it back, we have to go with the face to screen with this marking. So now just grab this, face to the screen, as you can see, just like this, and now slowly try to put it inside. Now just use your fingernail to press, and now both cards are inside.